In this video, I'll show you how to enable the SIM card lock on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So this basically allows you to, whenever you restart your phone, you have to type in your PIN so that you can access your phone. So to enable the SIM card lock, open the settings on your device, then scroll down and select Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. And then scroll down again within the Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock settings and select Privacy. And then within the privacy settings, scroll to the bottom until you find More Security Settings. Tap on it. And then find the SIM card that you'd like to enable the SIM card lock for. So let's say for the instance you want that particular SIM card. And then you should see this option, Lock SIM. Simply tap on the toggle switch icon. And then now you have to type in your SIM card PIN so that you can enable this feature. So type in your SIM card PIN. And then once you type in your SIM card PIN, tap on OK. And there you go. You have successfully enabled the SIM card lock on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.